are here, and you'll only find them in Pizza Hut's any box. Any 2 medium pizzas, any toppings, on any of our world-famous crusts. Just $8 each, any way you want. Make it great.
That says Friday night like a homicide.
Thursday, ABC brings on the heat with the premiere of 2 red-hot cop dramas.
Who's driving? Rock, paper, scissors? All right.
From an executive producer of Dexter and The Mentalist.
Just go arrest somebody.
A one-of-a-kind crime series, Motive.
On our way.
And the sizzling hit series is back. Rookie Blue.
Keep your hands up.
2 scorching summer premieres. Thursday starting at 9 Central on ABC.
Meteorologist Brian Fowler, weekday mornings on KTVS 3 First News.
2 sharks are out, and Paige and Ashley are trying to convince Damon not to become the third.
Damon, we know that you can.
I'm gonna have to close my eyes because you're gonna convince me
Damon,
that
this
you want
girl's
to be
for
convinced.
15 months in Afghanistan, Korea.
Alright.
Now you're making money, she's getting shot at. Come on.
Wow, guilt trip.
Not back out on us.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
Please don't, Mark, Lori.
There's your vice president of sales right there.
Listen, I have to be honest, but I really just don't like the jewelry. I'm out.
Lori.
Come on, Lori.
Mark. Come on.
I think there's something very interesting here. I love your story. I love the combination of all of it together. Everybody in our country cares so much about all of you that have fought for us. And I think there's something there. This being jewelry that's for women with power, but I also think, in my mind, if a percentage of the proceeds went to the military.
We actually designed a screw in the Create Your Own, which is a star, and it's engraved USA. And we donate a portion of the proceeds to the Wounded Warrior Project. And Ashley actually mentors a wounded soldier.
I love these girls, Mark, and I think that there is something special here. I think the jewelry is great looking. I think that we could design even more things that could be this cool, edgy, powerful kind of jewelry.
You can't pay $600,000 for this.
But, Mark, would you like to go in with me